Hi everyone, Timotheus here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something that might be weighing heavily on your mind, uncertainty. The world can feel like a bit of a roller coaster these days, and it's natural to feel a little uneasy about the future. But hey, what if I told you there's a way to take control of your financial future, even in these uncertain times? Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, specifically through affiliate marketing. Before we continue, do check out the link in the description below for my number one recommended online resource to help you achieve success with your affiliate marketing business. Imagine this, you're talking to a friend about your favorite hiking boots, the ones that have never let you down when you travel down on a trail. You mention where you got them and even share a link. If your friend clicks on that link and buys those boots, you might earn a little bit of commission on the sale. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing. Here's why affiliate marketing is such a powerful tool for building passive income, especially during uncertain times. The first is low startup costs. There's no need for huge investment. You can start with just a website, blog, or even a social media account. The second, flexible and scalable. You can work on your own schedule from anywhere, perfect for busy schedules or unexpected circumstances. There's also passive income potential. Once you've created valuable content and built an audience, you can earn commissions, even while you're not actively working. Now that you're intrigued, let's explore how you can get started. First, choose your niche. This is your area of expertise and passion. What are you knowledgeable about and enthusiastic about? Second, find affiliate programs. There are numerous online marketplaces and networks connecting creators with merchants. Third, create valuable content, inform, engage, and build trust with your audience. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your content. Then promote your content. Utilize SEO, social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to reach your audience. Affiliate marketing works for real people. Here are some inspiring examples. The world may seem uncertain, but building your financial security doesn't need to be. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and scalable path to passive income. By choosing your niche, creating valuable content, and promoting it effectively, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and achieve your financial goals. Ready to get started? Remember, this video is just the beginning. There are countless resources available to help you learn more. And my number one recommended resource is Wealthy Affiliate. Go to the description below and click on the link there now to join the free starter membership. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, you don't need a cape to be a financial superhero. Take control of your future and explore the possibilities of affiliate marketing. Until next time, stay awesome. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.